How do you reproduce a software bug for debugging? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle without knowing how the pieces fit together. That's what reproducing a software bug is like. It's about creating the exact conditions where the bug appears so you can see it firsthand. To do this, start by gathering all the details you can find. Think about what the user was doing before the bug showed up. Write down every step they took, every input they entered, and what they saw on the screen. Check the environment too. Was it on a specific operating system, a certain browser, or a particular device? Did it happen after a recent update or change? Collect logs, error messages, screenshots, or recordings that show the bug in action. These clues help you understand what might be causing the problem. Next, figure out if there are any preconditions needed for the bug to happen. Maybe the user had a certain permission level or the system was in a specific state. Make sure you replicate those exact conditions. Then, set up a test environment that matches the original as closely as possible. Use the same hardware, software versions, network settings, and configurations. Once everything is ready, follow the same steps the user did. Click the same buttons, enter the same data, and perform the same actions. Watch carefully to see if the bug appears every time you do this. If it only happens sometimes, try to notice what might be different when it does or doesn't show up. It's also helpful to simplify the process. Remove any unnecessary steps or inputs to create a minimal example that still reproduces the bug. This makes it easier to focus on the core issue. Document every step clearly so others can follow your process. This documentation is essential for sharing with your team and for verifying when the bug is fixed later. While reproducing the bug, use debugging tools and logs to gather more information. Look at stack traces, network traffic, or system logs to see what's happening behind the scenes. Test across different environments if possible, like different browsers or devices, to understand how widespread the problem is. Reproducing a bug reliably is the foundation of fixing it. Without it, you're just guessing. When you can recreate the issue consistently, you can start diagnosing the root cause with confidence. This process helps you communicate clearly with your team and ensures that once you fix the bug, it stays fixed. Remember, the goal is to find the exact conditions that cause the failure, document them well, and verify the bug appears every time before moving forward with the fix. That way, debugging becomes a lot more straightforward and effective.